Welcome back to our YouTube channel, everybody.
Yeah, buddy, salvaged from the Santa Rosa fires.
In this video, we're slabbing up a 36-inch diameter redwood log that was salvaged and recovered from the Tubbs fire area in Santa Rosa. You can see all the charring on the outside of the log, but there's no damage to the inside of the log at all. We're going to cut this into some beautiful 6-inch thick slabs. We're cutting this log with our WoodMizer LT15 Wide bandsaw mill. We hope you enjoy watching, and thank you all for your support. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. This log just so happened to be about 8 inches too long for the mill, but our customer didn't want to cut it shorter. So what we ended up doing is cutting almost all the way through the log and then lifting the slabs with the skid steer to break them off. Here you can see how we can't cut the last 8 inches or so, but we use a skid steer to lift up the slabs and break them free, and it works pretty good. Our customer will have to clean up the ends a little bit, but he didn't want to cut the log shorter, so we did what we had to do. These massive 6-inch thick redwood slabs recovered from the Tubbs fire are going to be used to turn into a custom table and also a bench set. We really hope that you've enjoyed watching us process this log with our WoodMizer LT15 Wide sawmill. I'd like to say thank you to everyone for taking the time to watch and hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't. Hit that subscribe button to get notification of new videos that we post. Thanks again for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.